Yeah, so we were quite lucky to actually have the Australian Army come down to IMAV and basically showcase the Black Hornet drone, which is the smallest drone that the Army operates. And they actually competed within the obstacle course, and they actually did quite well using the Black Hornet. It was quite a unique glimpse to see the Black Hornet in action.